Hey guys, Jake here from the little farm up north. Welcome back to the channel. My wife and I, we just got to town again. We have a little project to do. I'm going to build a little box for my trailer, and yeah, want to take him to a ride. And it's Mexico. It's about 4,000, a little over 4,000 kilometers. So yeah, it's quite a ways to go. Stay with us. I'm going to show you what we're doing next. We're going to strap them down here first, these plywood sheets, and then we're heading home. Oh, not home. The next stop is at the PV Mart, right? We gotta get some door latches. I'm going to build a little door into the little box that we're going to build to take our stuff with, whatever we need to. Oh, come on, you stubborn little, you know. Come on now. Oh, that's just a stubborn little. There we go. Finally. Oh yeah, that will stay on. Beautiful. As you see, guys, we did get 5 sheets of plywood. Just standard plywood. That's what we're going to use for our little box that we're going to build to put our luggage and whatnot in. Plan is taking it with to Mexico. We're living here up north, northern Alberta. Our plan is probably next week sometime go to Mexico for a bit. All right, as you see, we're back to another store. It's PV Mart here. Going to see if they have some door latches or something to get the door on my little box when we're leaving 4,000 kilometers. I need a good latch. But don't worry, our house will be under surveillance 24/7. We will have people over. They will take care of our house. So it will not be alone. The animals will get fed. They will have fresh water day in and day out. So nothing to worry about that. But now we're looking for door latches. I don't know where to go. But we're looking for door latches. I'm looking for door latches right now. Can you see that? I want them now. Stubborn little devil, you know. But even some latches are here. I don't know. I don't see a good door latch here. I do not see a door latch whatsoever. A good one.
These are the only ones.
Those are the same thing as we saw in the other store.
Yeah.
Don't want them. That's just how it is. You go from store to store and you never ever find the thing you want. That's, you know, great. Moses, sandal. I don't know what to do then. No one has door latches is the one I want. No, I want something that, you know, hooks on the door, is fastened on the box, and you just pull it over and clink it. That's what I want. I don't know if you know what I mean by that, but I know what I want. And I can't find nothing. That's what I eat. They should know. You can. Couldn't find nothing. Gotta go. See if we can find something at the other store. Going to Canadian Tire and X, I believe. So. Going to Canadian Tire. Going to waste our whole day in town, not doing anything. But the good thing is I'm drinking coffee, as you see. That's a good thing. But see you in the other store. Look at this truck. This is a real truck. This truck is real. Whoa. Look at this beast. It is a truck. Have you ever seen a truck like this before? Beautiful truck. Look at that. Wow, it's a GMC. That's amazing. Look at his front end. He is just a beast. All right. Oh, what's so blurry? All right. We are at Canadian Tire right now. Let me clear my lens first. It's not very good. There we go. Canadian Tire. I don't know if I haven't asked him to be filming here, but let's just walk in, see what happens. I believe they would have their door things over here somewhere in the back. Let me see. Where would I go for them? Maybe in here? These are some kind of the same as we saw in the other stores, which is to me nothing. Actually what I'm looking for, right? I don't see it here. I do not see anything here that what I'm looking for. No one will have that. Then we will have to go for what we can, right? Let's see what kind of boomers they have. They might have a boomer. And these are hotel.
Oh.
You know, you put them in front of that people can't break in your room in a motel. That's what this is. People can't break in. All right? All right, let's go. Let's have asked somebody. In the automotive, maybe. No, not in automotive. I mean in tools. There might be a boomer or anything like that. I think it's called a boomer. I'm not sure. I'm calling it that anyway. If that's wrong, then that's wrong. I don't care, okay? I don't care. I just want the thing I'm looking for. Holy smokes! I don't see nothing. Next aisle. At the end of the day, you will not be able to find anything. Alright? I will have to ask somebody. You know, like a boomer to tighten the chain or anything like that would work. Guys, we are back to the same place. I'm sorry for just boring you with stuff that you probably don't want to see, but that's just what it is today. We have been driving around the whole morning just finding parts from store to store, so we'll see. We will see. We're looking for a piece of chain right now. Where would we go for it? Probably these aisles here, right? Let me see. Yeah, I need chain. Over there? Okay. Look who found the chain. My beautiful baby. Oh, really? Yeah, this is quite something here, right? Let me see. What chain would do it? Any chain, right? Any chain. I just want the cheapest one. You know, like the cheapest chain, because money is tight sometimes, okay? Okay, what's the price on this? There are no prices on here. No price. Oh, it's $5 a foot. Holy moly, that's expensive. That's really expensive. But I have to have something. Look, these are some of the boomers. This is not the smallest one I want, so it's fine. It's good. So I'll get me somebody and have me cut some of these chain off. But how am I going to do that? Okay, yeah. But I'm going to waste chain by cutting. I will have to cut the chain off in pieces, and each time I cut it I will waste a link. That's a lot of waste, isn't it? And I don't need that big of a chain. I think this guy would do it. But can I put a hook through this? Maybe. I don't think so. You think so? I don't think so. What the heck am I gonna do? I don't even know what I want to do. Hey guys, I'm lost, okay? Sorry, I'm lost. I don't know what to do. I guess I'm just an idiot right now. Not sure what to do. I'm just not sure what to do right now. Do I want to put chain on there? Do I want to put rope? What will work better? I have no idea. I have just no idea what to put on there. I don't want it to fly off once we're driving down the road at 130 kilometers an hour. And yeah, I don't know. How about cable? Pieces of cable. How would that work? This is 43 bucks. It's way too expensive. Can't afford that. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. I don't know. I'm lost. Just stop it. Alright, let's find somebody. I think we found what we want. Finally. Sorry guys, I was a little bit aggressive earlier. Because I didn't know what I wanted. But now I'm going to take some cable. And find out what we can do. But now I need to find somebody to cut it for me. I don't know where I'm going to go to find somebody. Because it's hard to find somebody to do the work for you in the store. I don't know. I don't know. There is just nobody. There's just nobody. Nowhere. We finally made it back home. Spent the whole morning on town buying stuff, you know. Oh, are you greeting me with a smile face, eh? Yeah, good girl. You too, good boy. Oh, yeah. How about you?
Morning.
Morning. Tired? Oh, good boy.
I was up like an hour ago.
Yeah, good boy. You slept a long time, eh? Because it's right now. It's about what, 1 o'clock?
I was up around 11.
Oh, look! She's going inside.
I was up at 11.
At 11. Oh, great. What did you do? Can I have you guys get the front animals water and stuff, whatever they need, and then the back animals you know they want to eat over on that side of the laneway, those berries. Once they come out of the cage, can you and Isaac be there, one on the other side of the berries and one on this side, and then watch them until they have their bellies full, maybe an hour or so?
Right there, just like that little bit.
Yeah, just let them eat there. That's about, yeah, that's a lot of berries that they will be able to eat. So you can take your tablets with if you want to, and then can you do that? Okay, thank you. I will go and change bearings on the trailer, make that thing ready to go. Hey, kitty cat. Hey, kitty, 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 kitty. You need, what do you have? You feel it. I have all kinds of stuff over here. What is it?
Oh, like this. That was a bruise that she got a couple of weeks, like a month ago, and now it's just for healing. So.
She needs food. She's like a skinny girl, right?
We always give them a giant bowl every day full of food. So.
Yeah, I don't know why it looks skinny, but she has babies over on the neighbor's side somewhere. So I guess. What's the name of that cat? I don't even know.
Tiger.
Tiger. Oh, come here, Tiger. Come here, Tiger. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. All right. I'll go and change bearings.